Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and I'm so sorry for my voice. I have a cold, so we'll just get on with it. This is how I have been improving my drawing and basically progressing very quickly in a short space of time. I will basically show you how I have done this, and we'll give you a recap of what I've done. So this is, you divide your piece of paper into 1, 2, 3 and 4 spaces, so that you can basically get 3 drawings and then 1 space for an analysis of how you've done and where you can improve. Now I'm using an A3 pad, sketch pad, but you can basically, if you're just starting out, then you can just basically use like an A4 piece of paper or anything that you've got really if you want to get started. So I have utilised good speed. If you want me to go into more depth of the techniques I use, let me know and I will. So good speed, and I believe the first try I got quite good results. But the only thing that I wasn't able to do was the hand. That was purely because I ran out of time. Good speed means that you can keep to a time and complete it within that time. Now I utilise a very quick feedback loop, which is 4 minutes only. That is it. That's all you've got to get the basic structure, and basically that is so that you can get as much down as possible, quickly as possible, in a very short space of time. And these sketches are basically to prepare me and for like future projects like painting or charcoal, that type of thing. So this is how I am improving very quickly. So 4 minutes per drawing, and then 1 minute, as I said, for the analysis. So I am really happy with the first completed drawing of this ballerina. I have been capturing subjects that push me out of my comfort zone instead of staying in it, because basically I knew how to do that one subject and I wanted to progress a lot quicker in different areas. So I utilised geometric and observational techniques along with a slight bit of Loomis. And Loomis is in only these two. I didn't utilise it in this one purely because I had the face and the angle of the face in my mind's eye. So in the second one, it was good speed and a better second try on certain aspects of it, like for instance the angle of the body, and as well as the tutu. So and again, same methods. Sorry, stuttered there. The third one, I managed to get a little bit more hand detail, although it was more gestural. And again, these drawings are for to prepare your end piece, which is a painting or more in-depth drawing or charcoal. And again, it was gestational, geometric and gestural. However, I do think I captured the upper body, the position of the hands and arms a lot better, as well as the tutu much clearer, and you can see the movement in the tutu this time. So let me know what you think, what you would improve, how you would improve it, and how you would go about it. Thanks so much. Bye bye.